How's it going, everybody? It's Thursday, and look it's sunny. Don't stop. Or stop. Stop raining. Bentley says stop raining. He wouldn't go on his walk and talk with me because it's raining. You see it? Isn't that funny? It's raining. And of course I'm in the middle of it. Right? So here I am. Without Bentley, dog. And you know, from past experience, past videos, he will not go out when it's raining. And I try to get him to come out and go for his walk, his PM walking. He said, nope, not gonna have it. So here I am all by my lonesome. And it looks like it stopped a little bit. It's just like a little drizzle. But it was a genuine sun shower. This is what we get to play with. So when Bentley's like, he can feel it in his little bones. It's gonna rain and he won't go outside. That's so funny. Oh well, sorry you missed a boo dog. Sorry for all the shakiness too, but that's what you get when you get an old dude. All right, peace everybody. Happy Thursday. See ya.